Comparative Anatomy II, the dissection of the cat, again focusing on the digestive system. So here I point out the trachea or the windpipe, and then right next to it we can find the esophagus, which then goes down back behind. Here we have the lungs and the heart, and it goes down through. Here we have the diaphragm, which is the muscle separating the thoracic and abdominal cavities. Here's the liver, and then that under here we have the gallbladder. And so next I'm going to point out the stomach, which is where the esophagus leads to. And then I'm going to move more towards the tail, and I'm going to remove this peritoneum, which lines the abdominal cavity, the organs in the abdominal cavity. And then here we have the small intestine, which is where the stomach leads to. And as I pull out this the small intestine, I'm going to show you the mesentery. The mesentery is important because it helps to store fat as well as allow blood vessels, lymphatics, and nerves access to the intestine, so to supply the intestines with blood vessels and things they need to absorb nutrients. And so then the further down the intestine we go, we get closer to the large intestine, and then to the colon, which would be in the most posterior part of the animal. Here we have the spleen. And then as we work our way caudally, we would get to the anus, which is the end of the digestive tract. The only thing I didn't show you here is the cecum, which I wasn't able to find while everything was inside the animal. However, once we remove it, and if you look at those pictures, you will be able to see the cecum in the cat.